Let's study the Salesforce Certified Tableau Desktop Foundations exam prep in today's video. First, what is Salesforce Certified Tableau Desktop Foundations? You also know the key details before your test. Master the exam topics is also important. Study strategies to pass your exam. 1. How does Tableau know at which level to aggregate values? A. Values are always aggregated at the level of granularity of the worksheet. B. Tableau doesn't aggregate values, we do. C. Values are always aggregated at the level of the date part. D. Aggregation is always done by using Tableau special formulas. Answer: A. 2. In which situation should you save a workbook as a PDF document? A. Your users have Tableau Desktop but not Tableau Reader. B. You want document users to be able to filter and sort the views. C. Your analysis does not require a live connection to a data source. D. You need paper copies of the workbook. Answer: D. 3. What are two benefits of using a live connection to a data source as compared to an extract? Choose 2. A. A live connection to a database server requires less network overhead than an extract. B. A workbook connected to a live connection will have fresher data than a workbook connected to an extract. C. A live connection reduces the amount of memory used on a client computer as compared to an extract. D. A live connection is always faster than an extract. Answer: B, C. 4. By default, what does Tableau do when you connect to a data source? A. Creates an extract of the data. B. Creates a live connection to the data. C. Loads your actual file into Tableau. D. Sorts the data in descending order. Answer: B. 5. Which of the following are valid ways to copy a worksheet visualization as an image? A. By simply clicking Ctrl+V on the keyboard. B. By clicking on Worksheet in the Tableau main menu above, and choosing Copy to Image. C. Using the Marks shelf and choosing Copy to Image. D. By right-clicking on the worksheet visualization and selecting Copy to Image. Answer: B, D. 6. What does the following icon do in Tableau? Larger image. A. Create a story. B. Create a story and dashboard both. C. Create a worksheet. D. Create a dashboard. Answer: D. 7. How can you change the default aggregation for a measure in Tableau? A. By changing its properties manually every time we need to use it. B. By right-clicking the dimension to default properties and choosing aggregation. C. By right-clicking the measure to default properties and choosing aggregation. D. By double-clicking on the measure, and then choosing Window to default aggregation. Answer: C. 8. When exporting a worksheet as an image in Tableau, which of the following file formats are available? A. Portable Network Graphic, PNG. B. JPEG Image, JPG, JPEG. C. Tagged Image File Format, TIFF. D. Windows Bitmap, BMP. Answer: A, B, D. 9. How can you change the default Tableau repository location? A. By clicking on Window to Repository Location. B. By clicking on Help to change repository location. C. By clicking on File to Repository Location and choosing a new location. D. By moving the repository location manually to wherever we want. Answer: C. 10. Which of the following is not a valid official data source in Tableau Desktop? A. PostgreSQL. B. SAP HANA. C. Google Firebase. D. Amazon Redshift. Answer: C. Subscribe and like past question.